And in Iowa, the Iowa Supreme Court has cleared the way for lawmakers to limit or ban abortions in the state, should Roe v. Wade be overturned. Now, a ruling delivered yesterday reverses the opinion of the court from just 4 years ago when, in 2018, the court decided that abortion was protected under Iowa's Constitution. Yesterday's decision stems from a lawsuit filed by abortion providers that challenged a 2020 law that required a 24-hour waiting period before a woman can get an abortion. Yesterday's ruling overturned a 2018 decision by the High Court that said abortion is a fundamental right. After the ruling was handed down, the ACLU of Iowa and Planned Parenthood held a news conference saying that the ruling was a blow to women's rights, but added that the court has remanded the decision back to district court, where they plan to keep fighting to preserve abortion as an option in Iowa.
Obviously, the decision today is a devastating reversal of prior precedent. The court held that abortion is not a fundamental right under the Iowa Constitution. And this is inconsistent with the way that most Iowans understand their own rights.
That the Iowa Supreme Court stood with the people of Iowa and with the rule of law, and so that the 2018 decision was made by basically unelected judges who were filled with judicial activism.
However, anti-abortion activists celebrated the court's move. Bob Vanderplaat with the Family Leaders says that he's glad the Iowa Supreme Court corrected the erroneous decision that was handed down 4 years ago. Yesterday's ruling followed a complex series of standards to decide which parameters should be applied to the 24-hour waiting period law. The standards are called strict scrutiny, undue burden, or rational basis.
Court's talking, we're not going to do strict scrutiny, but should we do rational basis or undue burden? What I think the court recognized, and to the Iowa court's pleasure, not to many of ours, but is that the U.S. Supreme Court is very likely to overturn both Roe and Casey in a few weeks. At least that's what we got from indicating watching the argument. That's what we got from the leaked Alito opinion.
Governor Kim Reynolds released the following statement yesterday in response to the ruling, saying, quote, "Today's ruling is a significant victory in our fight to protect the unborn. The Iowa Supreme Court reversed its earlier 2018 decision, which made Iowa the most abortion-friendly state in the country." She continued by saying, quote, "Every life is sacred and should be protected, and as long as I'm governor, that is exactly what I will do," end quote.